Welcome, let's talk about Tona Classic and USC. This new week, Tona Classic is set to be on red. Tona Classic is set to go on bearish this new week. So if you want to buy, be careful the way you invest or trade Tona Classic this week. Now, based on technical outlook, you can see, based on outlook, the Japanese candlestick, you can see the strong formation of doji. This is based on the daily chart and of course 4 hours candlestick chart. You can see the strong forming of doji, and also the relative strength index is also confirming that Tona Classic is almost will continue to drop. Okay, the Tona Classic will be dropping more in price this week. So I still believe maybe the RSI, by the time it gets to the point of oversold, that might take about 2 weeks. The way it is 2 or 3 weeks time before it will get to a point of oversold. And if you get to that point of oversold, I believe that we will be seeing a huge price increase, a huge price rise. So I believe, let's say in the next 10 days, if Tona Classic continue to drop in price before the end of the month, we will see LUNC also rising in price, massively rising in price, because based on candlestick, Tona Classic have actually formed, the NFT have actually formed. I actually mean Tona Classic doji. You have a very strong doji, okay, on the candlestick, and you cannot. Doji is something that one need to really be careful of. If you're a trader, you know that doji is very strong signal, and also by the time you combine doji and moving average, and of course also combine doji with that of relative strength index, and all of them are confirming that Tona Classic might be dropping this week more, then definitely you need to trade what you see. So for me, some people need to be careful, or you need to stay off Tona Classic this week, this new week. But before that, let's watch and see how this week goes. But one thing I know for sure is, in the long run, Luna will definitely rise in price. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Please, thank you. Drop a comment, like our video, so that you will not miss any of our video by turning on the notification button. Once again, thank you for stopping by.